Hi, my name is Jakub and welcome in my kitchen. Today I would like to show you a practical guide about how to prepare and use 5 different types of gelatin phantoms for training of MSK ultrasound skills. Let's first discuss the ingredients. Water, gelatin powder, watercolors, balloons, a coin, screws, fork, a key, a battery, grapes. Preparation of the phantoms. Start by pouring water into a pot and place it on a heater. Next, slowly add gelatin powder to the water. Stir continuously to make sure that gelatin dissolves evenly. After boiling, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool down slightly. Types of phantoms. There are 5 different types of phantoms. Now let's see how you can prepare different types of phantoms. For the application phantom, you will need some targets such as grapes. With a color agent, you can decrease the transparency of the phantom. In the application phantom, first locate the target. Then insert the needle and visualize it with the ultrasound. Advance the needle into the target and inject the fluid until it bursts from the grape. For the aspiration phantom, first place a screw inside the balloon. Then fill the balloon with water. The screw will help keep the balloon at the bottom of the container. In the aspiration phantom, first locate the target. Then insert the needle and visualize it with the ultrasound. Advance the needle into the balloon and begin aspirating the fluid. It's important to continuously visualize the needle throughout the procedure to ensure no surrounding tissue is damaged. This phantom is the easiest one. You simply add color to the gelatin solution. The education phantom is designed for beginners to learn how to visualize the needle in the both long and short axis. In the long axis, you should be able to see the entire length of the needle. In the short axis, only a single dot will be visible, representing the cross-section of the needle. For the identification phantom, place some object with distinctive shapes into the container. Then add a generous amount of coloring agent so the solution becomes non-transparent. The task in the identification phantom is to recognize objects using your 2D to 3D imagination. In this example, you can see a coin, a screw, a fork, a battery, and a key. For the exploration phantom, prepare a non-transparent solution, then add a number of objects such as screw or grapes. The task in the exploration phantom is to count all the objects within the phantom. It's important to scan the entire area carefully, as a pathology can sometimes be only focal. And that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.